As we can see from the first hole that they made, there they used to inject the egg, and while the egg is developing into larva, the larva consume the center part of the branch of this cacao. From here, look at that hole. It reaches to the end point, and here is the developing larva. This is the end point of the branch of cacao which I used to cut, and this is the known larva that cause to rotten the branch. And the other one, look at that situation from the first hole they create, and then they leave the egg. Then the egg develop and consume the center of this branch, the most soft tissue where larva can easily consume and eat the. And look at that, here is the developing larva. Two of the larva.